Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create an XML file for this code. Any XML file can be created using test engine. So that's the reason we have included a test engine in our code. So to create an XML file we have to right click on our Java code, and here we'll get the option test engine, and we have to click on convert to test engine. Here it will ask for number of things like uh, suit name, test name. All right. So we'll see here this details is already populated, but the important thing is missing here. That is a class name, not showing here. So we have to cancel it, and we have to do one change over here in our code. We have to add one more line top of this main class. We'll say here at the rate test ng. No need to give ng, so just make it as test. So what it says, need to be import test ng auto auto notation. So we have imported, and then now it's not showing in red. So we have to write at the rate test, and it will Eclipse will automatically import the appropriate package. Now again we'll go on the same steps, right click and convert to test ng. Now this time we can see our class name is populated, but here one thing is very important is class name. So here it's showing me a dot selenium automation underscore web. This is a class name. So here I can check that yes, of course. But why is dot? Dot means here we have to mention the package name, right? So usually this syntax should be a package name dot class name, but in our case the package name is not there, so we can remove it. So only we have the class name, package name is default. So if we have multiple classes need to be tested, so same we have multiple classes entry will come on the next lines. All right, so here we have only one class, so no need to mention anything here. All right, this looks good. So we have just verified this our test.ng XML file, and we'll just click on finish, and this file got created here. We'll see the path. We'll right click and go in properties, and we'll see here it's created in a same workspace of Selenium by the name test.ng.xml. And if we double click on it, it will provide all the details. So here we have suit. Under suit we have name, and name is suit. Under that suit we have a test. Under test we have one class, and that class is with the name called as Selenium automation underscore web. So here guys, we have to just do the small change. We not have any package name, so just remove that dot and save it. Just cross check again. We'll expand this. We'll go in classes, and the class and name. This looks good. So here we have successfully created our. So here we have done with this all, and XML file is created. As we see that everything looks good, next video will create our a script to use this test.ng XML file, and after that we'll use the Jenkins to do our continuous automation testing. Thank you so much.